chigari chiri chia matatu echo chikobeka riogi ria igoro nigo bono chirachie konyora chingaki chinkongu ase okwenekia emeroberio yabo onye ekina kebekire bose obwekegambero kegochi gweta ekio bose ekine ekio moyo kebegete Samuel Otebire una nigo abana bake abantu abagotu negati yabaria bakonyora bose barache konyora ogwakwa kurase amario yayo nigo bono ekine ekio kirachigwanchiro na gotegerwa chitariki emerongo ebere na kianda chumutinyi okane mwaka wocho mwaka bwechirubere emerongo ebere na isano ebere.
Many matatus play loud music all through without regard to the nature of passengers they carry. Play loud music to the young, tender babies, to the old, to the sick. Right? You cannot even take a call. My lady, my petition is centered on public service vehicles and not in private vehicles. And that's why I invite this honorable court to find that the respondents have failed in discharging their duties in addressing these matters.
Kirengete kuboria koti nyare kugamba iguru ya amario ya matatu cha Nairobi chikobeka chigari ene ni ongote banga mario ya yu ni gawa affect abantu ase kobobya kwabo ende ni gawa affect afya yabo matatu chance pi chinyare kubetererwa chikotiga kubeka mario ya mangas chigari kubugia na kupekeri irire nase chimatatu nigakire mamincha ni katiba ite ya 2010 osaba high court nyare kubetereria attorney general nyare kubetereria National Transport and Safety Authority ni nyare kubetereria